Namaste everyone. Start Surya Namaskaras 12 rounds. First starting prayer. Om Hiranmayena Patrena Satyasyapi Hitam Mukam Tattvam Pushan Aparnau Satchadharmaya Dristaye. Om Ram Mitraya Namaha. Inhale Urdhva Namaskara. Exhale Padahastasana. Inhale Asva Sancharana. Exhale Plank Pose. Ashtanga Namaskara. Hold your breath. Inhale Bhujangasana. Exhale Adho Mukha Svanasana. Right leg forward in between the palms, Asva Sancharana. Left leg forward, Padahastasana. Inhale, Urdhva Namaskara. And exhale, Pranamasana. Second one, Om Rave Namaha. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Hold your breath. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale. Inhale, left leg forward in between the palms. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Third one. Om Suryaya Namaha. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Om Suryaya Namaha. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Hold your breath. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale and exhale. Om Banave Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Om Kagaya Namaha. Urdhva Namaskara. Padahastasana. Asva Sancharana. Ashtanga Namaskara. Bhujangasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Asva Sancharana. Padahastasana. Urdhva Namaskara. Pranamasana. Om Pushne Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Om Marichay Namaha. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Hold your breath. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Om Adityaya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now 10th one. Om Savitrayai Namaha. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 11th one. Om Arkhaya Namaha. Okay, 1. Okay, hold 5 seconds each position. 2, Padahastasana. Asvasancharana with normal breath. Plank pose. Ashtanga Namaskara. Hold our breath. Inhale Bhujangasana. Normal breath. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Asvasancharana. Padahastasana. Urdhva Namaskara. And Pranamasana. Correct. Now, Surya Namaskaras, closing prayer. Join your palms, Namaskar Sthiti. Om Adichyasya Namaskaram Ekurvanti Dhine Dhine Ayur Prajna Bhalam Viryam Tejasyam Chajayate. Om Namo Bhagavate Surya Narayanaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Surya Narayanaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Surya Narayanaya Namaha. Bhu Namaskara. Okay. Thank you everyone. Namaste.